Hello, my name is Adrian van Donner. I am the minister here at Briggen and Varnel Parish Church. We have been living here in Briggen for about a month or so now, and it is indeed a wonderful privilege and an honor to have been called to serve the community, the faith community and the community of Briggen and Varnel Parish Church. I am a South African, former Dutch Reformed church minister. We moved to Scotland in 2022 as a family. I completed my familiarization placement with St. Columba's Church in Glenrothes in Fife. Worked for a few months as associate minister with the Glenrothes Area Covenanted Partnership. And then, yes, we got the call, or I received the call to come to Briggen and Varnel Church to come and be the minister here. I have a lovely wife called Sanel, who is also South African, and then we have two lovely boys called Albert, who is 4 years old, and Lucas, who is 8 months old. And we're just delighted, happy to be part of the Briggen and Varnel community, to live here in beautiful Briggen. And as a minister, it is my heart and my passion is not only to serve in God's kingdom, to serve the faith community of Briggen and Varnel Parish Church, but my heart and my passion is always to serve the community, to connect with different groups and individuals and organizations, to partner with them, to see how we can make a difference in people's lives, to further God's kingdom, and yes, just to build relationships, make connections, and see if we can try and make the world a better place for everyone here.